Hi there and welcome. Today we're sharing an updated first-hand look at Sage at Sand Canyon, a new Lennar community located right here in Santa Clarita. We'll also take a peek inside the model homes and show you the latest construction progress throughout the neighborhood. This video tour is brought to you by your local real estate team, Matt and Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. As shown on the map, Sage is part of the Sand Canyon Village project located just off Sand Canyon Road, right next to the new Palona Hills housing community and north of Marlow Sand Canyon, a new apartment and townhome rental community. The project also includes the new Sand Canyon Village Shopping Center, located less than 1/2 mile down the street from Sage. As part of the overall development, new roundabouts, sidewalks, and trails have also been added along the main access points to the community. Sage is divided into two sections, with a larger portion slightly elevated to the north and a smaller section located just below it. Together, the neighborhood is expected to include approximately 118 paired homes and 16 detached homes. These modern 3-story units are planned from around 1,800 to nearly 2,500 square feet and are similar to many of the newer Lennar homes recently built in Five Point, Valencia. Stepping inside the models, the first floor typically includes either a secondary bedroom and full bathroom or, depending on the floor plan, a den. You'll also find access to the 2-car garage. The second floor is where you'll find the main living space, featuring an open layout that combines a living room, dining area, and modern kitchen. There's also a half bathroom and a connected covered deck. Up on the third floor, you'll find the primary bedroom and connected bathroom, the remaining bedrooms, and secondary bathrooms. Depending on the floor plan, some homes also include a bonus room or a second deck connected to the primary bedroom. But before you visit or register with the builder, make sure to contact us first. That way, we can represent you from the very beginning and help protect your best interests every step of the way. To learn more about nearby schools, local conveniences, and future updates, just click the link in the description to visit GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. While you're there, you'll also find video tours and helpful neighborhood guides covering nearly all of Santa Clarita. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're thinking about buying or selling a home, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help. Until next time, bye for now.